Spectrum Client user interface has been revamped for version 4.0. The new UI includes the addition of keyboard hotkeys, intuitive configuration windows, and a cleaner resource panel. Searches can be filtered by the servers, cameras, layouts, users, and local files. Once the desired item is found, it can be added to the monitoring window directly from the search window. The server's status, logs, and settings are also accessible with the click of the mouse. New cameras and devices can be added directly from the resource window. Local file management has also been enhanced. New and changed files stored in the local folders appear automatically in the resource tree. Cameras and layouts can be shared with other users via drag and drop within the resource tree. For those who prefer to work from the keyboard, many of the camera and layout control functions are now accessible with keyboard shortcuts. The new Spectrum Client user interface, another example of how the DW Spectrum version 4.0 provides ease of use and flexibility.